Long off in place. Irfan Khan, it goes over him. That wasn't a hit and a half by Ripon Mandal. Second time in the over, Aziz going for a Yorker, missing it, and been pumped over long off.
Hope is a fragile thing unless you refuse to let it go. Hope still there for Bangladesh.
Tiger is alive. Wonderful stroke. Once more, just missing the Yorker. This time in the slot, and Ripon, who was brilliant with the ball earlier, now is doing a job with the bat. Great hit that. Irfan Khan Niazi placed himself over there expecting a catch, but even his reach wasn't good enough.
14 of 8. Belief in Bangladesh's side has risen again. Yorker pumped down the ground. Long on field lane place and fails it. Sadakat. And guess what? He has just kept only for one run there. Brilliant by Mas.
Yeah, this is great fight being shown. 7 balls, 13 runs, and I think that Sakleen should look to go for the big one on this ball. Put some pressure on the bowlers. Going to bowl the last over, Ahmed Danial, because he is bowled brilliantly, and Shahid Aziz will be feeling the heat. Already given away 41 runs. So this last ball, he's got to make it
to the hill, Sakleen. And he does. Irfan Khan, it goes over him. That's the third six of Aziz, and straight over long off in the same over, third time.
End of the over with this blasting shot. Sakleen, a new star is born. He is taking the bowlers to the cleaners. 119 Bangladesh get to 7 more required.
Right, final over, 7 runs needed. Salman Bhat, Mazharuddin Nomi either side. Gentlemen, who needs a super over?
I was going to ask you that. Mas, speak up, man. Super over, or you just want to see 2 hits to the boundary?
The second one sounds good, Salman.
Ahmed Danial, 2 for 7 in his 3 overs. He's going to finish off. He has a chance for the youngsters to finish off. Danial for Pakistan Shaheens. Ripon Mandal, Sakleen for Bangladesh. 7 runs. Just need some calm heads. Singles will do.
Bangladesh require a hit to get to the super over. And then, maybe if they don't lose a wicket, they might be the winners. Pakistan still in. They need that 1 wicket. So just 1 ball can do it for Pakistan. But Bangladesh would require at least 2 deliveries.
Looking at the field, only 2 fielders behind, squaring the leg side. Both are in the circle, so the line for Danial got to be outside the yaw stump, not targeting the stumps. Right, 7 runs needed of 6 deliveries. Here comes Ahmed Danial into his 4th over. Met with some fierce power. Took a couple of runs and easy couple of runs. Good start for the over for Bangladesh.
5 of 5. Ripon Mandal on strike. The last wicket, but still the hope is there for Bangladesh.
Every reason to hope, man. It's just 5 of 5. These 2 have been majestic. They have brought the people back. They brought the hopes back. They got this whole dugout jumping again in excitement. And this is how it all came together. In the slot, asking for trouble, and Sakleen just being brilliant.
First semi-final went down to the wire, won on the super over Bangladesh. Pakistan shines in the second semi-final, won it by 5 runs, went down to the wire again, and yet again we need 5 of 5. Sensible, very good fielding as we shot extra cover. There was the chance for a second run. You got to give it for the commitment by, I think it's Saad Masood.
This is brilliant from both the batters, must say. taking the single when it's offered and having a chat as well in the middle.
Both the batters have been very sensible. The key has been the communication, and the important thing is, what is the captain telling the bowler now? What is the next plan? Because remember, it's just a stroke away. Bangladesh can be the champions for the first time, and Pakistan will need to take a gamble. Call it Yorker, a slow one, a bouncer, or whatever gives them the wicket.
Got to give it to Bangladesh for the fight back in the last 4 overs against all the